All right. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another activity and event brought to you by CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions or SEALS. Can I get a thumbs up sign if you're able to hear me at your end? Okay, so there you go. Thank you for that confirmation. And we're very happy to see a lot of you have joined us early. We are 104 already in our webinar meeting room right now. So thank you for that. And we're going to start in a few minutes from now. We're actually scheduled to start at 9 o'clock in the morning. My name is Loy Chin. I'm going to be your facilitator for today's activity. And we're happy to see participants joining us from all over the country. Meron po mga nag-share kanina that they're listening and joining in from Batangas. Some are from um, Quezon Province. Ayan po na. So, thank you for that, for joining us. And I hope this would be going to be another fruitful hour that you're going to spend with us. We hope at the end of this session, we would be able to provide you with new insights and new learning to get you ready into the new school year. Okay. Sino na po dito yung mga nakabakasyon na? Ayan. Send us a heart react po for those schools who have already declared or official na po yung kanilang vacation. Alright, so we're seeing there several heart emoticons. Nako, thank you for giving us your 1 hour today. Naku, meron pong isa, di pa nakabakasyon. Finals pa po ng mga bata. Okay? So last stretch na po yan. And thank you po because even if you're in the midst of all of those preparation, you have time po for shared to us with us this morning. Ayan. So meron din po from Negros Oriental, Cebu City. Ayan, mayang aga, mayang buntag sa inyong tanan, dear educators and participants. So, while we are waiting for other participants to join us and while we are waiting for our official start of our activity, please allow me to play some videos for your viewing pleasure.
Committed to equipping Filipinos with quality educational products, C&E Adaptive Learning Solutions, SEALS, relentlessly adapts to our market's ever-changing needs and the rapid developments in the education landscape to continuously provide relevant learning tools today and in the future. SEALS comprises several interconnected and relevant brands that present a comprehensive portfolio of adaptive solutions catering to different market and learning needs. The product brands of SEALS include C&E Publishing Incorporated, producing quality textbooks to help mold tomorrow's professionals and distributing premier publications and resources through C&E Bookshop, its chain of retail stores. Kite Digital Educational Solutions, KDES, developing interactive lessons, digital publications, and web-based e-learning applications for schools and other institutions. CE Logic Incorporated, engaging in state-of-the-art library automation and interactive media systems, as well as databases, e-books, and e-journals. Makers, transforming libraries and other learning commons into spaces for creation, collaboration, and innovation. SEALS is a dynamic company that envisions itself as a leading developer and provider of globally competitive educational resources and solutions for the Philippine academic and professional markets. As we move through the 21st century, SEALS serves as a beacon of modern knowledge. SEALS remains steadfast in its commitment to guide learners as they navigate the world through adaptive learning. Throughout the years, SEALS has played its key part in reimagining the future of education through its comprehensive offering of learning and teaching tools that are smart, relevant, and complete.
You want your students to learn science, to really learn science, not just pass a test. One of the best ways for them to learn is through high-impact labs. Students thrive on the fun, investigative experience that produces real results. But creating an effective lab that successfully meets all three dimensions of the next generation science standards is no easy task. It requires a lot of extra time, preparation, equipment, and expertise on the standards. So we've created Carolina Kits 3D from Carolina Biological Supply Company. Hit the switch to hands-on, minds-on learning that engages your students in every aspect of three-dimensional instruction. Each Carolina Kits 3D includes the materials you need for comprehensive, reliable, and safe learning. The three-dimensional instruction helps your students make sense of phenomena and establish a deep understanding of key concepts. Developed by a world-class team of specialists in science education and instructional design, every kit is packed with the essentials you need to run a successful lab. Quality supplies, print and digital manuals, lesson plans, videos, and assessments for classrooms of at least 30 students. Best of all, the easy-to-follow lesson plans save you time before, during, and after class, so you can spend more time doing what you love, teaching. So let's review. How can Carolina Kits 3D help you run more successful labs? Hands-on, three-dimensional learning, organized, easy-to-follow lab preparations and procedures, supplemental digital materials, and designed to address the NGSS. Take the next step with Carolina Biological Supply Company today and explore the features of a kit that's a perfect fit for your class.
For over 90 years, Carolina has provided science education materials and curriculum to schools and colleges in the United States and around the world. Science education is and has been our focus exclusively. We're dedicated to doing this one thing well. Carolina believes that students learn science best by doing science, and our products are based first and foremost on this principle. We believe in the idea that all students should have opportunities to have hands-on experiences and interactions with real-world phenomena, and we're committed to providing the best curriculum programs for pre-K through 8th grade. We partner with the Smithsonian Science Education Center, the developers of Smithsonian Science for the Classroom for kindergarten through grade 5, and STC for middle school. These programs provide educators with proven, effective, research-based science instruction with clear and coherent storylines and a robust support system for teachers. Carolina Curriculum is the developer of Building Blocks of Science 3D, a phenomena-based hands-on program for kindergarten through grade 5. Building Blocks of Science fuels the curiosity and engagement of students in short 30-minute investigations and provides built-in teacher support to make science accessible for everyone. Many of Carolina's employees and all of our developers were once teachers. They know what works in the classroom and what doesn't. We believe that digital resources should complement, not replace classroom investigations to help students make sense of their learning and to provide real-world connections and experiences that the classroom cannot provide. We prioritize the needs of teachers and students. We've developed at-home adapted lesson plans for our K-8 curriculum programs to support you and your students when you cannot be in the classroom. We build our own kits and pride ourselves on quality and the ability to provide you with the materials you need when you need them. Most of all, we want you to be successful. From evaluation to implementation to ongoing support, the Carolina Curriculum team is here to support you in each phase of your science journey. Carolina Curriculum, we're not just any publisher or supplier. We're your trusted partner in providing the most engaging and effective science instruction. We look forward to partnering with you.
All right. Good morning once again to our participants. And I hope you're hearing me loud and clear at your end. Can you give me po a thumbs up if you're able to do that? Hear me loud and clear. Okay, thank you po for that confirmation. And we're seeing po our numbers growing already here sa ating Zoom call. We are now 190 participants. So thank you po for all of you who joined us in today's session. So our goal po for today, dear educators and dear participants, is to present to you materials that would allow you to be more ready as we go into the next school year with the implementation of the Matatag curriculum, more specifically for our science curriculum or yung science subject po natin. And to address early on yung mga questions that we're seeing on the chat, so this webinar will not carry a CPD point. We have not registered this one to PRC. So this one, we will be issuing a certificate to you, but that would not carry po any CPD points for that matter. And this one, ito pong webinar po natin, our main goal here or our main, what we want to achieve po is to present dun sa mga educators natin materials that would allow you to get ready for the next school year po natin. And the materials po can be accessed through school subscription. So in that note, may we ask po for school administrators or school coordinators po who are in the Zoom call, if you are listening, can you type number 1 on the chat box po? So do we have po ba any school admin or school coordinator or subject coordinator po natin? Academic coordinators. All right. So we have there po in the Zoom call po natin. So thank you po for that. I know na everyone, yung mga teachers po natin at saka yung mga school leaders po natin are very busy. And thank you for joining us. We hope po that after this session, you'll get a lot more insights po of resources that you can get out there, no? Especially from us, your partners sa CNE, that would get you ready for our science education. All right. So the time is 9:01 right now, and I think we can give an additional 5 minutes po dun sa mga participants po natin who would be joining us. I've started there a timer um, for our common reference. Let me get all right over there. And I'd like to acknowledge po we have a lot of educators and participants who have shared saan sila nanggaling. It's good to know na we are able to see yung mga teachers po natin, educators po natin, and fellow learning enthusiasts in a platform or in a space such as itong Zoom po natin na webinar, wherein we can collaborate with like-minded po na individual. So thank you for participants who have joined us. We have po participants from Cotabato, from Davao, we have from Catanduanes. Nako, if ang wish po doon is that if you can visit po yung mga lugar na yun to meet po yung mga educators po natin, that would be a pleasant activity Indeed, ayan. So, yung mga participants po natin, if you'd like to share, yung place where you're coming from or listening from, please, feel free to put that in the chat box. Who knows, magkakilala pala kayo dito sa Zoom and dito po kayo magre-reconnect. Ayan. You can also share po, how's your weather there? It's kind of hot here in Davao City. I'm here po right now in my hometown. So, the sun is out and the sun is shining. And I think that's good because it's a fairly good weather. But I hope everyone is hydrated also because yung last days natin or yung previous days po natin or weeks has been really hot and dry, right? So we have also participants from Montalban, Rizal, ayan, from Zamboanga. Sabi ni Teacher Kirk, nako, madami daw siyang kilala from Zamboanga City. That's good to know. So, Buenos dias po, Sir Kirk, sa inyo. Alright. So, yeah, actually, I'm kind of surprised you're seeing a lot po of participants joining us from Western Mindanao. So, it's good to see you po here and meet you here in this space. Alright. So, yeah, we're on to the last 2 minutes before we officially start. We hope po at this time you can grab po something to drink or something to eat while you're listening in this 1 hour na session. Can make yourself comfortable. Ayan po, find a nice spot sa house po ninyo if you're listening from your house or from your office or wherever you are po. Find a nice spot para po mas comfortable yung magiging listening po ninyo into this session. Alright. So, Teacher Rock, I hope my number of hours sa e-certificate. I think that's something that we can look into. Thank you po for that. Thank you po for that info or tip. Teacher Rock, we can have that one looked into. Ayan. I'm sure a lot of mga participants po natin, who I've asked them earlier, naka-vacation leave na. Tama po ba? Nako, so happy first day of your vacation day or first week ng vacation period po ninyo. Um, there were this information na the school year po natin for 2024 will be moved earlier, no, compared ng last year po natin. So, there would be a lot of adjustments moving po yung start ng school year po natin. And at the same time, ito nga pong adjustments doon sa bagong curriculum po natin. But sabi nga po, common na comment ng mga people looking into yung Filipino na behavior or characteristic is that napaka-resilient po ng Pilipino at tapang-atao di asuko, no? Kasi kahit ano po yung challenge na binigay or na-experience sa mga Filipino talagang laban lang yung mga Filipino, more especially yung mga teachers po natin who since nung pandemic po natin, I'm sure is in a constant change, a constant state of change. Yan po, no? From yung shift dun sa learning modality natin from face-to-face to now hybrid and then dun sa curriculum po natin. You're really in a constant state of change. And then, despite all that, you're able po to finish strong dun sa ating school year 2023-2024. And right now, preparing again for another school year. So, congratulations and saludo po kami sa mga teachers po natin. Alright, so let's officially start our session for today. Let's just move my windows there. There, all right. So again, dear participants, dear learning enthusiasts, educators, school administrators, and participants po dito sa ating webinar session brought to you by CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions or SEALS. My name is Loy Chin. I am the AVP for Product Marketing and Customer Success at CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions or SEALS, and I will be your session speaker for today's learning hour session. And before we begin, some friendly reminders po for all of us. As flash on your screen, we're very happy that everyone is adhering to our e-session etiquettes as outlined on the slide. Now, throughout to our session, please feel free to note any question or clarifications you may have so that we can address them appropriately during the Q&A segment. If you have a question, you can park that one po at the Q&A box or later on po when we officially open po our Q&A, you can raise po your Zoom hand so that we can allow a microphone access for you if you want po to voice out yung question niyo po. In the event that I experience a disconnection during our presentation, please remain in the session. I will promptly reconnect and join as soon as possible. And moreover, please be aware that this session is being recorded for our collective reference. You'll be able to find also the recording of this one in our YouTube channel. So if you want to catch up on other learning hour sessions that we've had, you can head there uh, and get yourself updated on what's new and latest in the education trend brought to you by SEALS. Okay. And the most important po na reminder is that listen, enjoy, and have fun. All right. So again, we are CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions or SEALS. Some of you may know us as CNE Publishing. That has been yung ating flagship po na company. But throughout the years, CNE has grown its business and has grown um, its coverage po ng ating solutions that we provide for partner educators. This is why we carry po right now CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions or SEALS as our mother brand. And under that new name representing the growth, SEALS renews its passion and commitment to academic and professional excellence. With four key brands under SEALS, which you are seeing on your screen, that is CNE Publishing Incorporated for our textbooks, CE Logic for our online resources, Kite Digital Educational Solutions for our e-learning solutions for classrooms, and Makers for our libraries and STEAM education. Our mission is inspiring innovation in education by exploring adaptive learning solutions. So that is SEALS, your partner for your academic and professional excellence. And today, as mentioned po earlier in our learning hour session, we will focus on two topics. Number one is understanding what is Carolina and appreciate how can Carolina assist teachers and school educators as we prepare for the next year with the implementation of the Matatag curriculum. So Carolina po is a product under CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions which we are presenting to you to help you po um, get ready or add more po dun sa toolkit ng mga teachers po natin. So let's dive in. Let's look into what Carolina Science is. All right, for a while, I'm just quickly scanning lang po here yung ating mga um, chat sa chat box po natin for any possible po na question that we may address. All right. Okay. So, Carolina, Carolina Science Online, as you've seen also do sa earlier po natin na videos, it's a three-dimensional learning curriculum for the next generation science standards. It provides a virtual classroom teaching plan for every investigation in every unit so that you can keep the scientific thinking and learning going. So essentially, si Carolina Science Online po natin, it's a whole science education resource collection. So from yung content po natin in workbooks up until yung mga resources po natin that are available in digital format such as yung mga videos pa natin, laboratory activities, laboratory tools and kits. Now we all have that one in Carolina. Okay. So in Carolina, we have put three different segments of our product that we have here. We have po for building blocks. All of the resources here are for kinder to grade 5. We have Open SciEd. These are for grades 6 to grade 8. And Carolina Kits naman po for biochemistry and earth science. So Carolina is providing po yung mga schools natin anything and everything that you may need to teach science education dun sa mga schools po ninyo. Now, you may think, foreigner, yung origin ng Carolina po natin. And that is true. Carolina is owned by a US company, and they have been operating in the industry for 90 years already. So they're coming up na po into their 100th year. I think they're already in the 96th year today, netong 2024. So really yung kanilang history is a testament of how well they're doing yung kanilang business, which is providing science education resources for all educators across the globe. Now you might think, how do I use Carolina in the Philippines if it is US based, yung kanyang content or yung kanyang curriculum? So let me share to you how that can be possible. Paano natin mama-maximize si Carolina? First off is that CCNE, we have CNE Publishing is a publishing company. No? So that is under po dun sa Seals brand po natin. And under CNE Publishing, we have textbooks that are locally authored, that are aligned and patterned po doon sa ating curriculum. And we call that one the Breaking Through Science series. So you're seeing po yung mga cover ng book po dito sa ating screen. Now, the Breaking Through Science po natin provides po textbook resources from grades 1 to grade 10 po natin. So if we have an audience here na teacher ng science po natin or administrator po, and then you're looking for textbook resources for science, we have that one in CNE. And where Carolina is coming in into that is that you'd be happy to note that CNE, we have po um, tap or organize po to group together yung mga expert in science education in the Philippines to make sure na yung content po ng Carolina po natin can be integrated into our textbook. So what does that mean? If the school would use a CNE textbook, specifically yung Breaking Through Science po natin, within the contents po ng textbooks po natin are references on how you can use Carolina Science online. So two ways po yon, dear audience natin. You can use po yung science resource ni CNE through the textbooks, which is yung ating Breaking Through Science na textbook. Pwede rin pong yung textbook with Carolina Science Online. So pwede pong naka-bundle or naka-partner yung print natin na textbook, which is Breaking Through Science with Carolina Science Online. Or pwede rin pong as is si Carolina Science Online. Say for example, yung mga teachers po natin or yung school administrators po natin, you're using a particular textbook na po from a different book provider or from a different po na publisher. That's all right because dun yung group of experts po natin, additionally, what they are doing other than aligning yung Carolina doon sa textbook ni CNE is that they are mapping ano po yung mga contents na nasa Carolina that can be used if you're using po that can be used if you're using other textbooks because we are mapping Carolina po na contents vis-a-vis the matatag curriculum. So if you look at the matatag curriculum po, yung mga learning outcomes na kailangan po ninyo doon, you will also be seeing a mapping of ano yung mga content ni Carolina that can support or that can provide resources dun sa mga learning outcomes na yon. So a lot of different ways on how you can maximize Carolina if the school would choose to subscribe to Carolina. First off is that pwede niyo pong gamitin with our textbook, Breaking Through Science, which is aligned doon sa standards ng matatag curriculum po natin. Pwede rin po siyang as is or standalone because we're doing a mapping of that one. We're doing a mapping of Carolina, meaning we're finding alignment or ina-align po natin si Carolina doon sa ating matatag curriculum. And lastly is that if you're using a different book from a different book publisher, that's all right because yun nga, nakamap si Carolina. So, pwede niyo po siyang gamitin in partnership dun sa existing yung pong book. So, win-win po always yung solution natin with Carolina. Alright, so other than that, if you notice, if you recall dun sa ating video, meron din pong laboratory kits si Carolina. So that's an additional option po. If si school po natin, you're unsure, ano ba yung mga tools na kailangan meron ako um, to have laboratory experiments or laboratory investigations for my students, you need not worry because Carolina has a ready kit or set for that one. So a sample of that is what you're seeing on the screen po natin. So if you're not sure, if you're not, yeah, sure. how to get started, where to get started dun sa mga laboratories po ninyo and activities po ninyo, then you have it here also in Carolina. So, kumbaga, all-in-one complete solution yung pino-provide ni Carolina for our schools for your science education. All right. So, at this time, I'm going to share to you yung slide po natin na next on how can it help, no? How can Carolina help more yung mga schools po natin other than providing resources that are aligned and tailored po doon sa ating curriculum. Okay. Within the Carolina po natin na content, because these are, I think yung benefit nito is that yung creators and yung authors po natin, contributors ng Carolina contents po natin are from international na companies. Ibig sabihin yung standards ng content that they're bringing into the material are higher. And this is helping us because if you look at our PISA na report nung last 2022, it covers three major subject areas, which is yung math, reading, and science po natin. And in all those three areas na yon, it's unfortunate to see na si Philippines ranks second to the lowest on all of that. So we got only 24% um, of that one, no, ng PISA report po natin. So having contents and resources that are at par or benchmark internationally. And we're able to use that one in our classroom. We're able to contextualize that one vis-a-vis our curriculum is going to be an edge dun sa mga schools po natin because you have world-class standards in your classroom. So hopefully po, ang goal is that dun sa next PISA run po natin, wherein si Philippines ay mag-join, we'll see po better numbers dun sa performance ng mga students po natin. So that is how additionally Carolina can help yung mga schools po natin. Alright. So here I'm sharing po sa inyo, dear educators, um, what's inside Carolina. That's saying na yeah, it's really helping us, right? So for our schools, ayan po, for teachers po natin, because Carolina has a digital platform partner or accompaniment, it provides a teacher-friendly digital platform. So everything that you need, kumbaga, para siyang library and repository of all of the science resources that you need in a platform that is very easy to use. So later on, dear teachers, dear educators, we're going to see inside the Carolina digital platform para po mabusisi ninyo, makita ninyo yung mga sinasabi ko dito na mga tools that can help you. Okay. And then other than it being a teacher-friendly digital platform, students can also access yung mga resources na yon more conveniently and more easily. So si school, if you're using, say, for example, other digital platform to share or to distribute yung learning resources to your students, if for example, if you're not in the physical classroom, Carolina has the same po na mechanism. So, pwede niyo pong gamitin si Carolina to deliver your resources online for your students or you can use yung existing po ninyo. If you don't have naman po, then that's a bonus because you get it for free automatically. Yung LMS feature na ni Carolina that it would allow teacher to deploy resources to the students and record and monitor lahat po ng yun. Alright. So, yung next dito na key feature ng Carolina is that it provides coherent learning progression. So, because Carolina follows the NGSS or the Next Generation Science Standards Grade Level Learning Progression, yung pag-aaral or yung learning ng mga student natin as they go into each of the topic would be coherent. So, meron pong story for our students. Each of the discussion would stem from a root na discussion which would build po yung strong concepts of lesson for our students. So no random acts of science here. And you'd be happy to know po, dear teachers, that one of the references of the Matatag curriculum specifically for science is that when yung experts and educators natin from DepEd is putting together the curriculum for Matatag for Science, one of the resources or content framework that they're looking into was the NGSS. Ayan po. And NGSS is actually a common framework of understanding science and teaching science that is used across the world. You see a lot of this one being used in curriculum ng UK, curriculum ng Australia, curriculum ng Singapore, curriculum ng Finland. So, and then having that one in Carolina and being able to use that one in your classroom would really put your students ahead of the curve. Um, um, because of Carolina resources po natin. Alright. So that's another way of how Carolina is helping yung classrooms po natin. Fourth here is that all of the instructions are phenomena-based. Yan. So, lahat ng mga lessons in Carolina would start with a phenomenon or ano yung actually na nangyayari doon sa environment ng mga students natin. So, it provides automatically that real-world experience for our students. So, yung learning po nila mas kagat, kumbaga, because they're experiencing it. And also, that phenomena-based instruction is one of those learning frameworks kung saan nakatuhog yung ating matatag curriculum. Alright. Now I'm sharing po sa inyo, dear teachers, an alignment. I'm doing an alignment from DepEd's shaping paper. I'm sure expert po kayo dito and you know this one better than me. But I'd like to share here some of the references of from the shaping paper ni DepEd where Carolina fits together or fits in. Okay. So, doon po sa section na the shape of the grade 3 to 10 curriculum, sabi po doon sa DepEd shaping paper, science curriculum supports Filipino learners to engage with science-related issues and with the ideas of science as a reflective citizen. Now, dito po sa part na to, ayan, ito naman po yung part ni Carolina wherein nami-meet niya or nache-check niya po yung specify dun sa shaping paper ng DepEd for Science curriculum po natin. Because in Carolina, units begin with an anchoring phenomenon and phenomena video. So, students would experience or will get to know the lesson by a phenomenon. Ano yung nangyayari? Normally po yung mga teachers, well, yung teacher ko, they would ask us to say for example, when we're learning about bugs, ayan po, no? We go to the garden to look for those things. Ayan. And then, yung sa Carolina naman po, if such is not possible, say for example, during the time na ituturo po niyo yung topic na yon, naka-synchronous kayo or online po yung mga students po natin, you need not worry, dear teachers, because all of the resources po natin, all of the subjects have a phenomena video. So, meron po silang way si teacher to allow yung students natin experience that phenomenon. Okay, so, that's one of those areas dun sa DepEd natin na curriculum wherein naka-align or nakatuhog po si Carolina to support yung implementation ng matatag curriculum. Another one is on here, medyo mahaba po siya, kinopy ko po talaga siya, is on the curriculum framework. Okay, so over here sa taas, ito po yung drawing po yung alignment from our shaping paper. And okay po, dito, so curriculum framework, it says here that a central feature of the science curriculum is the balanced integration of three interrelated content standards: performing scientific inquiry skills, understanding and applying scientific knowledge, and developing and demonstrating scientific attitudes and values. So if you look at the Carolina Science Program, ayan po, um, it starts with the Carolina phenomena-based instructions, and it begins with the anchoring phenomenon and phenomena video. And each lesson focuses on an investigative phenomenon, lesson investigations, which provides opportunities for students to collect and gather evidence for explanations of phenomena. So, as mentioned earlier, because all of the lessons natin have phenomena video, it would allow them to have this one, perform yung scientific inquiry skills mo nila because they're experiencing kung ano yung pinag-aaralan po nila or yung topic of discussion po nila. Alright. So, that's another po na drawing or alignment po nung Carolina vis-a-vis our DepEd curriculum. Alright. Um, Okay, I think this was duplicated po, alright? And then yung next po natin dito yan, medyo cute na po siya kasi medyo mahaba po siya. But I'd like to draw your attention here sa resources and technologies. Again, itong upper part po natin, dear teachers, these are drawn from our DepEd's shaping paper. It says here that the implementation of the science curriculum can be delivered across available learning delivery resources. The teaching and learning process is not limited to face-to-face. And I think that is what the pandemic has given us na, oy, pwede palang maging effective or pwede palang maging partner ng mga schools po natin other modes of learning delivery. And we have that one a lot in CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions. In particular for science is yung Carolina po natin. So for Carolina po natin, yung delivery ng learning models po natin or learning contents po natin for students can be done face-to-face. We have po mga worksheets and workbooks po available for Carolina. Also yung textbooks po natin. And then if you want to go naman po or use yung ating digital platform, you have a wealth of that one in Carolina, which is what I'm going to show to you later on. So, here po sa shaping paper ng DepEd, it tells us or it encourages yung mga schools na using more than one mode of modality to deliver content to our students is more beneficial for our students. Right? And I'm sure yung mga teachers po natin would agree, lalo na tong recent month po natin, summer season or ito pong tag-init, no, has brought so many disruptions sa class. Ayan po, no? So, umikli yung number of days ng klase natin. From time to time, nagde-declare ng mga class suspension or mga no face-to-face sa class because of too much heat. No? And the good news is that for schools that are ready, ready po sila, meron silang alternative way of providing yung resources for the students, then kumbaga uninterrupted yung learning delivery for our students. And that is how you come to appreciate yung mga digital solutions such as this one that we are sharing and providing po dun sa mga educators po natin. And let's prepare because the rainy season is coming up in the next few months. And I think aabot po siya during the pasukan. So right now really is the perfect time for school administrators, for school teachers po to prepare for all of those na mangyayari. I think yun yung best natin na tool in any situation is to have backup plan A to Z. No? Because you may never know. But the good thing is that we're always prepared. All right. So that's here po no yung resources and technologies, and now more than ever I think hindi siya ganun kahirap because a lot of companies, a lot of platform providers such as CNE are coming in or presenting po all of these solutions that are readily available for subscription ng mga schools po natin. Now, I have here the last two slides po to share naman sa inyo yung alignment ng dapat matatag curriculum specifically for grades 4 and 7 natin vis-a-vis our Carolina po na platform. So this is from page 6 po ng curriculum po na yun, na guide po natin. And I'd like to highlight here that one of those na na-highlight dito sa matatag po natin na curriculum is yung um, information or resource that within the curriculum, meron pong cross-cutting concepts of science. Right? So, yeah, if you find it here, yung cross-cutting concepts of science, that the science curriculum adopts in a developmental way the big ideas po natin and the cross-cutting concepts of science. So, ito po yung nasa matatag curriculum natin. Now, if you look at Carolina po, you'd see that specifically available ano po yung mga cross-cutting concepts of sciences na pwede pong gamitin ng mga teachers po natin as they create and deliver po yung lessons po na yan. Over here, ito pong image na to, itong screenshot po na to, ito po yung online platform, digital platform ni Carolina where you can find that cross-cutting concept. Specifically for this one, this is for light and sound po na waves na topic. Okay, so for that topic, meron pong cross-cutting concepts of science. And that is available to all topics available in Carolina po natin. So that's one of those direct alignment po of how Carolina is supporting yung um, matatag curriculum po natin. Yung next naman po dito, this was lifted from page 32 of our curriculum. Ayan. And this one, I'd like to highlight yung emphasis na mention ng matatag curriculum on engineering and design process over here. So it highlights po that the curriculum follows also an engineering and design na process. And again, if you look at the Carolina po natin na platform, yung Carolina Science Online, you see that one specifically, a specific tab of resources that provides engineering design processes for our students and for our teachers. So yung teachers po natin, hindi na kayo mag-iisip, paano ko ba gagawa ng engineering design process tong topic na to? No? To serve or to ensure na yung requirement ni DepEd is nabibigay namin sa mga students. You don't need to worry on that one. That's gonna be an item of your list because you'll find it here automatically in Carolina, similar doon sa cross-cutting concepts po natin. So, this is yung how we are how we are confident, ayan po, that Carolina is providing that support for our science education or science curriculum po natin vis-a-vis the matatag curriculum because it's built into the Carolina resources. Lahat ng mga concepts na yon na dinagdag or available or are present in the matatag curriculum po natin. So yung mga teachers po natin, hindi na po additional task or additional burden for you as you prepare yung resources ninyo, yung lesson plan po ninyo for the next school year po natin. So specifically for grades 4 and 7 kasi yun pa lang po yung nagawan. Alright. Okay, so at this time, I'm moving po doon sa next na screenshots. Very quickly, I'm sharing to you ano yung screenshot ng dashboard ng mga teacher po natin if you're handling po grades 1 to 5. So all of the lessons are presented po or yung topics po natin are presented in a per topic po na choice such as this one. Ayan. So yun po yung mapapansin nyo. This is where yung differences naman sa curriculum natin Philippines versus US nakikita, because hindi siya katulad nung sa ating learning curriculum. But again, yun po yung sinasabi ko kanina na yun naman po yung ginagawa ng mapping ng mga experts natin na pinull together ni CNE so that yung contents natin sa Carolina can be aligned dun sa curriculum po natin. This one are yung resources po natin for grades 7, 8, and 9 po natin. Sorry, 6, 7, and 8 po natin. And lastly, ito naman po yung resources natin for biology, chemistry, and environmental science po natin. Okay, so if may mga teachers po tayo dito, you're looking for resources from K to 10, ayun po, we have that one in Carolina. All of those na mention po natin na alignment from the curriculum are available across the grade levels na meron po si Carolina natin. Now, to look more closely dun sa other po na features na meron si Carolina and how it can help yung mga teachers po natin, here is a complete screenshot ng dashboard ng resources for our teachers. So you can monitor and deploy assignments for your students. So yun po yung nabanggit natin na Carolina has an LMS-like feature, which is teachers, you can create your assignments inside Carolina, deploy that one to the students, and when the students would reply or answer po, it gets recorded and sent back to you. So, kumbaga yung checking part ng mga activities, deploying that one, all covered na po here. And you have a tool over here in Carolina. And each lesson po natin has a lesson overview, lesson unit overview po natin. And for each of that one, it follows yung 5 E's instructional model. Yan po. So meron yung 5 E's instructional model. Ako, I'm sure yung mga science teachers po natin, you're very familiar with this one. Ito po yung scientific way of one of the ways of efficiently teaching science is if you go through that 5E process to engage your student first, allow them to explore, explain, collaborate, and evaluate. So for each of that step po, may resource po yung mga teachers po natin. And as you click over here, makikita niyo po yung mga downloadable resources atin here and resources that you can use when you discuss the lessons to your students face-to-face or asynchronously po. And each of the lesson po natin has investigation or yung phenomena po natin. And all lessons have teacher resources. You know, po yung, what we're very happy because teachers will not be left on their own because you'll have a teacher's manual and teacher resources always nakasama ng tools po natin. Now, over here, these are a screenshot of all of the different pa po na teacher resources available for the teacher. So you have a teacher's guide over here, how to teach po yung lesson po natin. All of the contents ng Carolina po natin, you have that one. You have a student investigation sheets. Ito po yung pwede nyo maging lab sheet, worksheet for your students. You also have a lesson plan over here. And then the lesson plan, you can actually revise and tweak that one according doon sa requisite ng mga heads po natin or requisite format ni DepEd po natin. And you have a demonstration video. This is one of those resources na I'm very happy yung demonstration video because of course marami pong video available for free online. That's no question. That's in a million po na number. But what's good about the videos we have in Carolina is that all of these are curated, meaning they are evaluated, they're reviewed ng mga educators mismo. They were analyzed na sakto yung video na yun dun sa topic na dinidiscuss and doon sa age and grade level ng mga students po natin. So you don't need to buksan lahat ng video that you can see online and check tama ba 'to para sa mga students ko? Because you automatically have that one already vetoed and reviewed inside Carolina po natin. And it's not reflected here lang po on the slide, but one of the additional feature na meron sa Carolina that you'll not find in any other science resource is yung English language arts resources niya po. Ayan. So you may be asking, "Na bakit napunta yung English sa science?" And that's one of the good things about Carolina is because although it's teaching science na concepts, science na lessons, meron po mga activities or workbooks or storybooks inside Carolina na ang pinaka additional support niya is that to ensure that students, even though they're learning about science, is that yung skills nila for English language arts or yung reading or yung literacy is supported pa rin. Lalo na po yung grade 4 students natin, that is where yung reading deep nangyayari. So si student nagsa-struggle na doon sa shift ng reading skills nila and adding that one dun sa lessons in science might confuse or might burden yung mga students. That's why Carolina has provided ELA na resources. So si science teachers po natin, they are supporting yung reading skills and growth ng mga students natin because we have automatically ready available resources inside Carolina. And that's what makes Carolina one of a kind because even though they are ang focus nila is on science education, they've made sure to provide a holistic na learning growth for our students. All right. So I'm going to come back here again to recap that for CNE, for CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions, the science resource, the complete science resource that we are providing po para sa mga schools who want to subscribe or want to use po yung product po natin are in several ways. We have po yung textbook po natin, which is in Breaking Through Science po natin. This is aligned dun sa curriculum natin, specifically for grades 4 and 7 for the matatag. Excuse. And you have naman po si Carolina Science Online natin, which is patterned after the NGSS. And the good thing is that it supports yung matatag curriculum po natin. Alright. At this time, I'm gonna pause for a while. Just gonna stop my screen share here because I'd like to bring you po doon sa ating live account ng Carolina to show to you yung actual po natin na platform. Right? So I'm just gonna click that one here. All right, so I hope I'm showing that one, the Carolina Science Dashboard. I'm seeing right on my screen. Can you give me po a thumbs up sign if nakikita niyo po yon building blocks? All right, so thank you po for that. I'm gonna enlarge this one for your better appreciation. Okay. So, dear teachers, this is the Carolina Science Online Teachers Dashboard. Ito. So, if si school mag-subscribe po sa platform po natin, bibili po si school ng platform po natin, ito po yung access for the teachers. All of the teachers, regardless of the grade level that you're handling, you'll have access to all of the contents ng specific bundle na sinubscribe ng school. So say for example, si school, if nag-subscribe siya ng building blocks, ang content na kasama doon is kinder up until grade 5. Okay? And all of the teachers handling po yung science will have access to all of this. Okay? Don't worry po yung grade 6 teachers natin. Bakit walang grade 6 dyan? Don't worry po because this one is patterned after doon sa US na curriculum. But initial po na feedback ng experts natin who are doing the alignment ng Carolina is that a lot of grade 6 topics na nasa Philippine curriculum po natin are actually captured here. Ayan po. So, wag po kayong mag-worry na hindi nyo nakikita here yung grade 6 because the lessons in grade 6 are actually found in other lessons that are distributed dito sa Carolina po natin na dashboard. Okay. So, I'm just gonna walk you through very briefly dito sa teacher's dashboard po natin. So, the way we go about this one is that you can look into a per topic. Say, for example, gusto nating tingnan ano yung resources for light and sound waves. So, let's click on that one. And the moment we open that one, we are given ito pong nasa taas. So you have po different tabs here, and each of the tab are alive. So when I say alive, each of the tab, if you click on that one, so we are on unit overview, I'm gonna click on this one. And if you notice, merong ibang resources na naman po available dito. Okay? So this is lesson 1. This is unit overview. I'm gonna click on lesson 2. Ayan, it's gonna be different na resources. And for each naman po nun, you have sub-tabs pa po. Okay, so let's look into all of that one by one. Okay, so let's go back dito sa unit overview. The topic that we have opened is discussing about light and sound waves. So for that general na topic, meron pong unit overview na resources provide si Carolina for the teachers. So over here, you'll see yung introduction of what the topic is. Ito po, no? And then you have po here an instructional slide. So the instructional slide are PowerPoint po na pwedeng gamitin ni teacher for the classroom to discuss dun sa student ano yung topic na yon. Alright po. So you have there yung guide po natin. So meron na po kayong guide to introduce yung topic na yun. Meron din po kayong readily available po na PowerPoint slide for you to deliver or introduce po yun. Okay, so yung next na tab dito, again, we are still on unit overview. And then we've just clicked yung tab na introduction. I'm going to click po yung NGSS na tab. So in the NGSS na tab, this is where you see a lot more of those resources. Say for example, you have here yung performance expectations po natin. This one is yung performance expectation vis-a-vis yung NGSS curriculum. Now, what our experts are doing is actually matching itong performance expectation dun sa curriculum po natin. So that when you teach ito pong topic na to using yung Carolina natin na resource, you can match that one naman. So that's one of those win-workout ng mga expert po natin. So kanina doon sa presentation natin sa PowerPoint, I've shared to you na inside Carolina, you automatically have resources that aligns with one of the curriculum's core framework for learning, which is yung cross-cutting concept. So you have that one here, yung tab na to, cross-cutting concepts, and you automatically see that one for the unit overview. Similarly, yung science and engineering practice po natin, you automatically see ano ba yung mga science and engineering practices na makukuha ng students from that lesson light and sound waves, right? And dear teachers, we are just seeing yung unit overview. Because if you look into the lesson 1 naman po, ayan, you get to see more pa po nun or extended pa po nun. So this time, I've clicked po yung lesson. And this one, if we follow yung 5 E's po natin of science po na teaching. This is lesson 1. This is for engagement. Yan po, no? You still see here po yung science and engineering practices and yung cross-cutting concepts po. Ayan. So, you'll see that one all throughout nung lahat ng resources natin in Carolina, how it supports or how it aligns atong dalawang content na to dun sa matatag curriculum po natin. Now, other than that, I'd like to boast. Ayan po, no? Gusto ko po ipagmalaki sa inyo, dear teachers, that Carolina is providing teachers with a lot of time because you don't need to put to create yung mga resources from scratch, yung mga activities from scratch, even your assessments from scratch because you have it here already. So if I'm gonna click on lesson materials over here, to conduct itong investigation for this one, you have all of the lesson materials over here already. Ano po yung gagamitin po ninyo? How do you assess yung student doon sa activity? You also have that one here. Yung actual na worksheet and how do you assess yung activity na yun or yung worksheet ng mga students po natin. You also have here yung mga um, yeah, yung mga resources no, and guides po dun sa mga teachers po natin. So say for example, for you to conduct yung particular investigation na yon, ilang time yung kailangan nyo to prep, ayan po, ilang time yung kailangan nyo to deliver yung lesson na yon. Ayan. So you have all of the guide here po. And lastly, over here, sa particular tab na to, I'd like to share to you yung iba't ibang digital resources that are available for you. So as mentioned po kanina doon, you have a lot of resources here available. You have a video resource over here. Meron po kayong worksheet na available in your resources. Meron din po kayong teacher guide on how to teach po yung lesson po na yon. Instructional slides, ito po yung mga PowerPoint slides po natin. And if that resource is available dito sa ating digital resource, then you can share and send that one to your students right off here. So pwede po kayong mag-assign ng activity sa kanila using si Carolina po natin. Alright. So let's look at an investigation naman po na tab. So if you notice, kada click po natin ng tab or ng icon natin here or ng lesson natin here, a whole new tab is opening for the teachers. Kaya sabi ko po, alive po yung Carolina natin because it doesn't give you a static or fixed lang po na number of activity for a particular general na topic because each of the tab natin here has its own collection of resources for our teachers. So for this one, specifically lesson 2 on sounds of investigation B, ayan po, meron po kayong, yan, again, yung ating investigation materials, and you have here yung teacher prep pa po natin. So as I've mentioned earlier, one of those I'm I'm mayabang about Carolina is yung ELA and you're seeing it here. Meron kayong literacy article. So this is a story. Usually yung literacy articles po natin or ELA natin are stories about that topic. So they're written in a story format. So it provides dual po na purpose for the students. It provides them yung understanding about the topic na pinag-aaralan, which is in this particular case about light and sound waves, but it is written in a literary format. So they get to enjoy reading. They get to enjoy yung experience na yun. And you have it here already. Yan po. So you have that resources para po sa inyo. Okay, so all other tabs are opening also. So for classroom instruction, you also have a guide here. You have a tip din po how to go about this particular lesson. And you have yung assessment strategy pa. Ayan. So other than yung tool mismo for the assessment, meron din po kayong, depende po din sa assessment na available. If these are objective type, you have an answer key for that one. If it is open-ended, no? You have here, for example, the one that we've opened, you have a rubric on how to assess po yung activity ng student po ninyo. So, kumbaga, a lot of tasks ng teacher to prepare lessons for for science inside Carolina, checked off na po yon. So, you do you can do what you do best, no? Which is to teach or to impart yung knowledge dun sa mga students po natin. All right, so I'm just gonna pause for a while here. I'm seeing po some questions in the Q&A box po natin. And it's here from Teacher Jessa. I just registered Carolina Science Online. It says an activation code is needed to access those resources, and there are no digital resources found yet. Yes, that is true po. If you are given an access po to Carolina, for you to get po yung access, you either need to be registered dun sa school, ayan po, or dapat po meron kayong sort of a token na parang isusulat niyo po yung code na yun dun sa Carolina access niyo po. And that is possible po through school subscription po natin. So the way to go about to access po yung resources natin for Carolina is when schools would subscribe to the Carolina platform po natin. So I hope nasagot ko po yung tanong po ni Teacher Jessa. Alright, so questions pa po here. Ayan. So I think may mga nagtatanong ng school code ng CNE Publishing Demo School. For that one po, we would be happy to provide you the code. But we'd like to do it po with the presence ng mga school admin or yung mga school coordinators po natin because we usually provide po yung school code for schools that have a high intent po to subscribe to the Carolina platform po natin. Ayan. Okay, so may question po si Teacher Maricel. I want to ask po, we are face-to-face now and we are using textbook. It is available po ba the videos about lessons in Carolina platform? Yes po, Teacher Maricel. So if you're using po textbook and you're using doing face-to-face, yeah, I mean you have more face-to-face po na learning modality, you can still use po si Carolina po natin because yun po yung na-mention nyo kanina, we have video resources here. So this one, I'm opening po yung resources po natin for lesson 2, sound off. These are our digital resources. And then you can just choose yung type po na yun. So for example, we want all of the videos lang. So for this particular lesson and for this particular investigation, you have 2 videos available po. Another good thing I'd like to highlight here is that um, I'm going dito sa unit overview po natin ulit. I'm choosing yung unit resources po natin. You have 2 branch or 2 tabs of resources. You have the teaching resources over here and the digital resources po. Okay. Okay, so yung mga videos po natin, they are not downloadable in the device, but you can access that one when you want to teach po do sa mga students natin face-to-face. So you can log into your Carolina account and play that video. And here in the teaching resources po natin, a lot of our resources po are downloadable. So even if si school is using po or mas gamit po ninyo yung face-to-face, then you can still maximize po si Carolina po natin because it provides for you that online and offline na access and use ng resources natin. Yan. So I hope nasagot ko po si Teacher Marisol dun sa kanyang question. Okay, so may follow-up question si Teacher Maricel. How much is the subscription? It is a one-time subscription or renewable every school year or calendar. So yung fee po ng subscription, that's normally addressed by our sales po na personnel. But to give you a ballpark figure of that one is that um, approximately per student po yung nagiging charging for Carolina. And for the Carolina Access only, it's gonna monthly siguro that's gonna be 100 pesos po per month for the student. So and so meaning sa isang taon that can be between 1,000 to 1,500 lang for the students po. And true, that's gonna be subscription po. So every year po yung renewal po ng account po na yon. So again, sabi ko po kanina, si Carolina, you can use it as standalone. Yan po, if si school is using module, um, malamang matutuwa po yung teachers kasi they don't need to make so much materials for their module because you get a lot already from Carolina. If si school naman po is using an existing na textbook from other publisher, then you can partner po si Carolina. And the best thing is that if si school would want to use yung textbook ni CNE, which is yung Breaking Through Science po natin, you'll find that po bundled dun sa Carolina po natin. So yung cost po nun, medyo mababa po. Okay, yung binanggit ko pong presyo kanina or price, dear teachers, that's a ballpark figure. Meaning yung price po natin for the students po natin can change or can be lowered depende po doon sa magiging discussion. And we'd be happy to discuss that one po with your school. Kung meron pong specific data na audience natin would like to know more about pricing, we would be happy to jump into a conversation with you. Just let us know lang po. You can send us an email. You can address it to me so that we can provide a better po na discussion of that one with you. All right. So another question po here is that from Teacher Arlene. Ayan. If mag-a-avail po ba kami ng textbook ng grade 7, Science, pwede po bang kasama na ito sa package ang Science Carolina online app? Yes po. For sure po, Teacher Arlene, we can do that one. And that's one of those na we're doing po from CNE is to bundle si textbook at saka si Carolina po natin. Yan. Let us know po, send us an email para we can schedule a more in-depth po na meeting or presentation or discussion with you. We'd be happy po to provide po different arrangements on how you can make use of Carolina. Alright, so next question si Teacher Maricel ulit. Ako, science subject lang po ang meron sa Carolina or available po lahat ng subject sa matatag curriculum? Okay, so for Carolina po, science lang po siya. And good news po, Teacher Maricel, because for other subject areas po, we have also digital solution, but it's not in Carolina. It's gonna be in a different platform. And yun po yung topic naman po natin for June 8, yun pong next po natin na learning hour, which is for reading. So yung core po na product ni CNE that aligns or supports matatag curriculum is on science and on reading po natin. So doon po, we're very happy na we have that one got covered for you. Especially po yung MyOn po natin, yung for reading, because we did get a certification of that one from the DepEd Bureau of Learning Resources that the books or the resources are aligned doon sa curriculum po natin. Alright. So for those who would like to connect with us to know more about yung pricing and how we can provide po si Carolina for you, my technical fairy, Miss Marian, will put po doon sa chat po natin yung email ad ng PMCS so that you can connect to us and my email ad po. Alright. So additional question po, what if only the teacher would subscribe to the package? It's not usually done na si teacher lang po yung nagsasubscribe to the package, but that is something that we can look into. We can submit a proposal kay Carolina for such a setup. But we need more information, like ano po yung number ng students po na hinahawakan ni teacher, so that when we present po that one to Carolina for approval, then they'll have all of the information to make the decision. So I'd be honest po kay anonymous attendee, right now po, we don't have an existing po na model or policy na si teacher lang yung magsasubscribe. But I'm sure we can present po a proposal kay Carolina if you can give us more information to present yung case po natin. Okay. So another question po from Teacher Cherry Lynn Traquena. So magagamit po ba ang Carolina kahit offline? So yes po, ma'am. The good thing about this one is that yung nasa resources po natin kanina, it's gonna be flexible depende po doon sa inyo. So for offline use po natin, you can download yung mga resources o yung mga worksheets, and then you can deploy po dun sa mga students po natin. So there are a lot of ways on how Carolina can be used. So hindi lang po siya strictly online. What you're seeing actually, ito pong Carolina Science Online po natin was developed because yung need na to provide more ready access dun sa mga students po natin. Because Carolina started with print na workbooks, print na textbook, yung mga kits po natin. And then pandemic came, no? So hindi ganun kabilis immobilize yung mga print materials po na yun. That's why a lot of the resources ni Carolina are put online. So that's gonna be more readily accessible para sa mga teachers po natin. Alright. Okay, so thank you very much po dun sa mga questions. If there are more questions po, please feel free to put it in the chat box or send us directly dun sa email po natin. And so Marian has put there yung email ad po ng office namin. That's customersuccess@cebookshop.com. Alright, okay, dokie. So, okay, question ni Teacher Erica. Meron po bang app yung Carlina? Currently po, wala po siyang app. It's available po via yung browser po natin, the one that you're seeing in my screen right now po. Alright, sige po. Um, okay, so I'm just gonna stop na po here, my screen share for a while. Checking po if there are further questions or clarifications po from our audience. And then just gonna lang po, fetch lang po here again yung aking PowerPoint. Okay, so I'm sharing that once again. I'm I'm looking at lang po here sa chat po natin for if there are any more questions. Yes, and agree po ako sa sabi ni Teacher Cherilyn. Ang galing, parang mapapadali yung trabaho namin as teacher. Yung mga magtuturo na lang po kami, di na kami gagawa ng presentations. Truly, truly, ma'am. And then, ang beauty po nito is that even yung way, yung sequence of ano yung unahin yung video ba muna or magpapa-activity po kayo? Ano yung i-activity ninyo? Naku, nandun na po siya lahat. No? So, kung si science teacher po ako talagang papalakpak kasi nandun na po siya lahat. Even yung review ng concept because it's true po, di ba? Hindi naman po all the time um, ano to? Kabisado natin yung topic na tinuturo. And that's one of the good things in Carolina because meron pong part ng teacher resources that would allow teachers to review on the topic na ituturo nila. So, di ba ang galing? Kasi you don't need na to punta ka ng Google, mag-open ka ng books mo before. Ano nga ba yung ituturo ko about photosynthesis, for example? Ano nga ba yung concept ng photosynthesis or yung computation ng atoms, electrons and protons, for example, like that. You don't need not to go out of Carolina because you get that resources automatically in Carolina too. So, yun naman po yung purpose ni Carolina and CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions because ang purpose namin is to help teachers do what you do best, which is to teach. No? All of those preparation na part ng mga resources, we make sure na we provide that to you. And the best thing is that it's created by teachers also. So they'll know na yung nilalagay po dun sa content is gonna be used and it's gonna be well used ng mga teachers natin. Yeah. All right. So si Teacher George, sabi niya, hope we can buy even for teachers reference. We'd love to sit down po, Teacher George, on that one with you, discuss how we can provide um Carolina for your school. If ang model na gusto niyo po is for teacher reference. Again, yung ano po namin, table ni CNE is open for a lot of those discussion. We're here to provide the resources for you. Okay, nako. Thank you po dun sa very healthy na conversation with our teachers. We're seeing po na there are a lot of interest dun sa mga teachers po natin. I would love to sit down with you for schools po natin who are interested po to subscribe or to procure si Carolina. Um, Send us an email so that we can uh, schedule po that session or that sit down with you. All right. So this time po, we hope that we have provided you with another piece of key to future-proofing po your learners. Alright, I think may pahabol pa na question, sagutin ko lang po ito from an anonymous po na attendee. If the school will subscribe, will there be a separate full demo for the teachers on how to use it? Truly po, Teacher Anonymous, and I'd like to magyayabang po ako ulit. Yung training yung training plan po namin for all of our digital solutions is very extensive because we do training for teachers how to use the platform. We also do training for students. For several po na cases, we also do training for parents. No, not actually for parents how to use the platform, but an orientation. Ano ba tong kinakalikot ng anak ko? Na Carolina, for example. So we can do that orientation. So for teachers naman natin, other than how to use the platform, we're putting into the training po natin also um, at training for teachers on how to make use yung content na yun from educators mismo. So we are providing po actually training and webinar sessions that are with CPD points. Once you subscribe po dun sa platform po natin, those are additional po na support that we put into place together para po dun sa mga partners po natin. So we have a full customer success plan for our partners. Not just the training, but yung student experience din po natin. If you look at doon sa Partners Journey portal po natin, we have a lot of activities there for students. We do awarding for students po natin. May mga game cards po kami ginagawa for the students po natin so that even if si teacher hindi siya nagbibigay ng activity kay student on the platform, meron pong sariling activity si student naman. So we have a whole setup of customer success plan for our partners. So we're not just selling products. We're actually when you come into CNE, we become po yung partners po ninyo to ensure na you provide the positive learning experience for your students and for your learners po. And that's our promise. All right. Okay, so this particular webinar, wala po tayong CPD points, but some of the webinar that we provide for our partners, yung subscribed clients po natin, have CPD points po. Okay, dokes. Sige. So, this is a good conversation, good discussion po. We actually, sumobra po tayo dun sa time, and that's good because of the many po na discussion and insights na na-bring in po ng mga participants po natin. And we're coming into the last bits of our session na po today. On your screen, you are seeing po yung QR code that would take you to our feedback and evaluation form. Now, this form will provide us insights on how we can improve our future events and activities with you. This would also serve as your attendance for the session. Additionally, if there are participants po who are interested to subscribe or to purchase po si Carolina, or know if your school is keen to subscribe, you can request for a free trial account or a more in-depth presentation of Carolina Science by signifying it in the form. And then the link to the form is also available on the chat box. I will give you 2 minutes po to accomplish po the form. So again, the form is our attendance form. It's our feedback form also. And for schools po who are interested to subscribe or to purchase si Carolina, you can signify it there also. We can provide you a trial account and a more in-depth po na walkthrough of Carolina. Okay, so my time right now is 10:11. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes to accomplish po the form. If you're done po accomplishing the form, please type number 2 in our chat box so that we'll know. Thank you. All right, so we're seeing several of you already typing number two. So thank you for letting us know that you're done already. So if meron pa pong nagfi-fill out, that's all right. I'm sure you're finishing na po on the last part of the form. At this time, I'm sharing on the screenshot po our digital loot bag. So the digital loot bag po would give you access to the curated materials that we have designed para sa inyo about this activity. Additionally po, we will be sending po yung e-certificates ninyo within 2 to 5 working days at your registered email address. So you can take po a screenshot of this one to get po yung inyong link for the digital loot bag po natin. Okay, dokes. And as yung mention ko po kanina, you can please explore with us reading and literacy solutions compliant to the DepEd Matatag curriculum in the upcoming free exclusive webinar. The session is open to all basic education, school administrators and educators. It's going to be happening next Saturday, June 8 from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. You can register via Zoom by scanning po the QR code and be among the first 150 registrants and get an exclusive sales certificate for this one. And to learn more about what we provide at CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions, please visit our Partners Journey portal at www.salespartners.com. And stay tuned for more similar events and activities from sales. And you can visit po our other po na social media channels or send us an email to know more about what we can offer. And again, dear participants, dear educators, teachers, school administrators, and learning enthusiasts, thank you for joining us in today's Learning Hour session. We hope po that we have given you new information, new insight, better preparation as we go into the next school year 2024-2025 with the Matatag curriculum. This is again Lloyd Chin, your facilitator in today's Learning Hour session. I wish you a happy day ahead of you. May you have a wonderful weekend ahead of you. We're gonna close na po the Zoom call in 2 minutes. Wishing you everyone a wonderful day ahead with sales. Bye bye po.